Disclaimer: this is an imaginary story. Please don't relate it with any idol or any other person. It's nothing related to anyone's life. It's pure work of fiction. Any resemblance to actual persons, living or dead, or actual events is purely coincidental. Whatever pics are shown in this story, they all have been taken from Google and Pinterest. The credit for them goes to their real owner. Storyline and voice are mine, so please don't copy that. Cookie ran to dining room. Mama, cookies ready. Sit on his chair. Mama, food, mama, food, mama, food. Started banging his hands on table. June sat on his chair. Cookie, what's this manner? Sit quietly. Do you think Mama has 4 hands? Patiently wait for your food. Cookie sat quietly. Utti. Tea ran there with newspaper. Dada! Newspaper uncle threw it far away. Titi got so tired. June looked at Tea and took the newspaper from his hand. Where? Out of the universe? Can't you walk 2 steps more? Go and sit on your chair quietly. Tea quietly sit on his chair. Utti. Jin came there with their breakfast. Good morning, everyone. Your breakfast is here. June looked at him. Good morning. Looked at Tea Cook. Don't you think you are forgetting something? Tea. Good morning, Mama. Cookie. Good morning, Mama. Jin. Good morning, babies. June. Ginny, where is Yoongi? Jin. He is. Cookie. Uni sleeping. Cookie went to Uni for telling him to tie the knot of Cookie's tie, but Uni was in deep sleep. June. This boy. Jin placed his hand on June's hand. It's okay, let him sleep. He returned late at night. He will have his breakfast later. June. Why would he do his breakfast later? Does he think he is in any hotel and you are his maid who will serve him his breakfast whenever he wakes up? Jin. I won't be become maid just by serving him breakfast. He must be tired. June. You aren't tired? Don't you dare to take his side. Because of your backing, everyone became so spoiled. Don't think I'm not noticing you are coming late at office. If you continue coming late, I will fire you, then stay at home and do your maid work. Jin. Sorry. June. I know you're sorry very well. Don't just stand, sit and have your breakfast. You will come to office with me. Yoongi came there. Yang, my black coffee. June looked at Yoongi. Here, King has arrived. Should we spread red carpet for you, King? Yoongi in half sleep. No, just black coffee is enough. Jin mumbled. Why do you want to die in this early morning, Yoongi? June picked the glass of water and threw on Yoongi's face. Good morning. Yoongi opened his eyes. Hyang, said by removing his wet hairs by his hands. June. You are the Mafia King only at your Mafia headquarters. If you want to stay at my house, you have to follow the rules. My husband isn't your personal maid. If you come a single second late, you won't get your meal. Set this in your mind. Got the call and went to pick it. Yoongi sat on his chair. What did just happen? Tea. Welcome in our team, Uni. Cookie. Mama, it's good that you didn't give Dada's coffee. Otherwise, Yuni's face would have been burnt. Yoongi looked at Jin. What's happening, Hang? Jin, while serving their breakfast. Nothing. Today is our scolding day. Yoongi, scolding day means tea. Means Dada is so angry. Cooking. Dada already scolded Cookie, Titi, Mama and Yuni. Yoongi looked at his breakfast. Hang, what's this? Salad? Where is my black coffee? Tea saw his breakfast. Where is Titi's strawberry? Cookie. And Cookie's nana milk. We won't eat this veggies. Bring us tasty pancakes. Yoongi, I'm not goat who will eat this grass. And why did you give me milk? Bring my black coffee and regular breakfast. Jin looked at Yoongi. Your Hang looked at Teacook. Your dada and my husband ordered me to prepare only these in your breakfast. Tea. But wait! Titi can't eat veggies. Cookie. Cookie too. Cookie wants tasty pancakes. Yoongi looked at Jin. Hang, your husband is crossing his limits. He threatened me to throw out of my own house. Did he forget I am his real brother? Jin. He threatened to fire me from my own company because I was going late. Yoongi. What? Have you fought? Jin. I would definitely fight if he wasn't in this much bad mood. First time in my life I'm scared of his anger. Yoongi. But why? What happened? Did anyone steal question paper from his cabin? Or anyone complain regarding his university? Jin. No, I also got the same thought, so I called in the university. There is everything fine. Yoongi. Then why is he showing his strict principal side to us? What did we do to him? Jin. Dad scolded him because of you. Now he is scolding us. Teacook. Wins heart. That's not fair. June came back. Why haven't you started eating your breakfast? You will get only these breakfast. Looked at Jin. If you dare to give Titi strawberry, Cookie banana milk, Yoongi black coffee, then I will break your pink cookware set and send you to mom and dad. Jin. No, I won't give them anything. June looked at others. Stop glaring at me and finish your breakfast. If a single grain left in your plate, be ready to lose your favorite stuffs. Everyone started eating their breakfast without saying anything. First time they all were witnessing June's anger. Time skipped after some times. June didn't only stop Teacook's strawberry and banana milk. He called to their teacher and strictly told her to not give them any sweet in lunch. But Teacook were June's sons. Whatever they wanted, they would get it by anyhow. They both came to other side of building where were strawberry plant and started plucking them, but got caught by a teacher. Jimin. Cookie. Titi, these strawberries are looking so tasty. Tea. Yes, look at this red color. These are heaven. Jimin crossed arm. Punishment will be heavenly too. Teacook turned around. Teacher? Jimin. What are you doing in this building? Don't you know stealing is bad manners? Teacher, we weren't stealing. Jimin, you were plucking the strawberries and still have courage to lie. Give me your parents' number. I will talk with them. Cookie got scared and kneeled down. Teacher, please don't complain to our dada. Our dada is so strict. T kneeled down too with fake tears. Yeah, dada will find out this. Dada will beat Titi and Cookie. Jimin, what? Your dada beat you? Cookie. Cookie's dada is very strict. Dada always scold and beat poor Titi and Cookie. T. And you know, Dada didn't give money to Titi and Cookie to buy food. That's why Titi and Cookie were taking these tasty strawberries. Titi and Cookie are so hungry. Jimin, oh, get up, babies. I misunderstood you. Come with me. I will buy food for you. You don't need to starve yourself. No, teacher. These strawberries are enough. Cookie wiped his fake tears. Thank you, teacher. Now Titi and Cookie should leave. Ran from there. Jimin. Poor kids. They were so cute but have such a cruel father. I should talk with their father and make him understand it's not good to torture these kids. Yes, being the teacher, it's my right to protect the children. Tico came to their school building and started eating strawberries while waiting for Jin to pick them up. But surprisingly, today Yoongi came to pick them up instead of Jin. Yuni, wait, let Titi finish this strawberry. Cookie, Yuni, give Cookie back. Cookie strawberries. Yoongi snatched their strawberries and kept them in his pants pocket. Here, your dada made my life hell and you two want to eat strawberries? You two better become with me without eating my brain. Your dada told everyone to not give me my black coffee. My head is already hurting so much. I don't have any energy to bear your tantrums. Tea Cook. No, you can't take Titi and Cookie's strawberries like this. That already bully Titi and Cookie so much. Started taking the strawberries back. Yoongi, I know very well how to make you obey me. He picked them up by their clothes and started walking by swinging them in air. Seeing this, Jimin became more mad. He thought Yoongi was Taekook's cruel father. He ran to him and took Taekook back from Yoongi. Jimin, what the hell are you doing? Is this the way to handle kids? You have no humility. Taekook hugged Jimin's legs. Teacher! Jimin wrapped his hands around them. Don't worry, kids. Now I am here. This monster can't do anything with you. Yoongi, excuse me? Whom are you calling monster? And who the hell are you to talk in between? Titi, Cookie, come out fast. You know Dada's anger very well. Jimin, don't you dare to scare these innocent children. Don't you have any shame to treat your children like this? What do you think about yourself, Yoongi, it's our family matter. Don't you dare to poke your nose in between our matter. Looked at Taekook. What are you two still doing behind him? Do you want me to drag you? Jimin, I dare you to touch them. I will break your hands. I am black belt in Taekwondo. You are such a cruel father. How can you torture your own sons like this? Yoongi, father? Torture? Have you lost your mind? What rubbish are you talking about? T. Acting mode on. Teacher, that is so cruel. Cookie. Yes, that teacher, that will beat Momo Titi and Cookie. Yoongi widened his eyes. What? Now you two seriously need good beatings. You two are becoming bad day by day. Grabbed Teacook's hands and started dragging them. Teacook. Teacher! Jimin grabbed Yoongi's hand and slapped him, yanking his head to other side. You stupid man! How can you torture your own sons like this? You are such a disgusting father. Yoongi touched his cheek and glared at Jimin, who was fiercely looking into his eyes. He didn't say anything, he was just glaring him. Nobody dares to look at his eyes, but Jimin slapped him hard and still glaring at him. Tico got scared. They were just playing. They didn't know Jimin would slap Yoongi. Jimin walked towards Yoongi's face and looked at his eyes. Jimin, this time I only slapped you. If next time you dare to show your power on innocent kids, I swear to God I will drag you by your collar and take you to police station. Remember this. Bent to Teacock and clicked the pic of their identity card. Babies, you don't need to scare of your cruel dada. I am here. I will protect you from his cruelty, okay? Lovingly patted his head and left. Yoongi in mind while looking at Jimin's disappearing figure. You will save Teacock from me, but who will save you from me? You will pay for this slap. Rubbed his slapped cheek and left. Teacock ran behind him. Yuni, wait! Time skipped in the evening. Jimin was sitting on the special corner of his dad's newly opened hotel. He was waiting for his blind date fixed by his parents. He didn't want to meet anyone, but his parents didn't listen. Jimin, why am feeling this nervous? I'm a teacher. During parent teachers meeting, I met with so many new persons. I should be confident. It's not like they will marry me without my consent. It's just a formal meeting. Nothing else. Be confident, Jimin. Mom said the man is very decent, calm, composed, less spoken, understandable, well mannered, strong, and independent, just like I demanded. His family is also very respectful and supportive. I just hope he is like what mom and dad told me. I already had enough drama today. That cruel father blew my mind. If those innocent kids hadn't there, I swear I would have broken his all the bones. By the way, where does this Mr. Perfect man left? He doesn't have any value of time. Excuse me? Jimin turned his face to him. Yes, you? Shocked. You bloody monster! What are you doing here? Ah, you are following me. You are trying to threaten me. How are kids? Don't tell me you harmed them. Yoongi pulled the chair and sat on it. Is this the way to talk with your would-be husband? You are a teacher. This is what you teach your students? Jimin widened his eyes. What? You and my blind date? Impossible. My parents never ever choose you for me. Yoongi pointed his finger on big glass window. That's why they were fixing the date of our wedding. Jimin looked at the big glass window where their parents were sitting. No ways! You must have threatened them, but I will never ever marry you. Angrily left and Yoongi followed him. There, Yunmin's parents were busy in fixing their wedding, and here Namjin were secretly romancing in elevator. June, while pinning Jin on the wall, holding his hand. I'm sorry. Jin looked at him. Sorry not accepted. You know how harshly you scolded me in front of our children. You even threatened to fire me from my own office. Now you are saying sorry. June, it was scripted. Don't pretend you didn't know anything. Jin, yeah, it was scripted to bring Yoongi on blind date, but you scolded me too much. You know how much scared I was. June, I'm sorry, but if I didn't scold you, then nobody believes that I was seriously mad. They never took me seriously. Peeked on his cheeks. I'm sorry, please forgive me. Started giving feather kisses on his face. Jin, Junie, what are you doing? We are here for Yoongi and Jimin's wedding, not for ours. June pulled Jin closer to himself by his waist. So what? Did you forget we romanced on our first family meet? Jin, blessed heart, you were so romantic at that time. June, what do you mean? Am I not romantic now? Jin, no, you scolded me. June, fine. Pulled him in long, messy, and rough kiss. Jimin, Mom, Dad, Mrs. Park, see, they both came back this early. Mr. Park, what happened, son? Jimin, Dad, you chose this man as my would-be husband? Mr. Park, Mrs. Park, we already fixed your wedding date too. You just say yes so that we can start the preparation. Jimin, no ways, I can't marry this monster. Yoongi smirked and sat on the chair. Mom, Dad, Uncle, Aunt, I'm ready for this wedding. Mrs. Min, congratulations, Mrs. Park. Mrs. Park, you too, Mrs. Min. June came there. Congratulations, are they agree for wedding? Mr. Min, yes, son. Jin, I knew it. This proposal is perfect for them. Mr. Park, wait, let me order sweet. Jimin picked the plate and broke on the floor. Why aren't you listening me? I don't want to marry this monster. I would rather die than marry him. Mr. Park, but why, son? What's the problem in him? Jimin, problem? He is already married, mom and dad, and have two super cute sons whom he tortured. Jin, shocked. Yoongi, you already married and have two children, but didn't inform me? Taekook ran there. Mama, Dada, this hotel is very beautiful. Bumped with Jimin. Teacher. Jimin looked at them. Babies, you here? Started checking them. Are you fine? Your cruel monster dad didn't do anything to you? Jin glared at June. What did you do with my babies? June, nothing. What can I do with them? Jin, then why is Jimin calling you cruel monster dad? June, I don't know. Looked at Jimin. Excuse me. What are you saying? Jimin looked at June. I didn't say anything to you. I'm talking about their cruel monster dad. June, I'm their dad. Jimin, why are you lying? Grabbed Yoongi's collar. He is their dad who strave them to die, and when they plucked strawberries and ate, this cruel monster snatched them. Jin looked at Tea Cook. Titi, Cookie, what is he saying? You plucked strawberries from school? Jimin, why are you scolding them? They are innocent. If they had nothing to eat, they would steal. It's not their fault. It's this cruel men's fault. June, deep voice. Titi, Cookie, Tea, scared. Teacher, you nation Titi and Cookie's data. Titi and Cookie lied. Cookie, Titi and Cookie's data isn't cruel. Data never tortured Titi and Cookie. Teacher caught Titi and Cookie from plucking the strawberries. That's why Titi and Cookie made excuse. Grabbed their ears by their hands. Cookie is so sorry. Tea grabbed his ears by his both the hands. And Titi is sorry too. Yoongi removed Jimin's hand from his collar. Have you heard them? They aren't my kids. They are my nephews. Jimin, what? Mrs. Park, now all the confusions are clear. So let's celebrate. Jimin, no, I don't marry him. Mr. Park, now what happened? Jimin, I don't know cooking. Yoongi, I know cooking. Jimin, my anger is very dangerous. In anger, I speak too much. Yoongi, I am certified stone. I will hear you. Jimin, Jin, leave it, Jimin. There is nothing for which you can reject him. I trained him very well. You will be happy with him. He is a complete package. Tea Cook, teacher, please marry Yuni. Then we will play together. Jimin, Yoongi gave him juice. Your throat must be hurting. You screamed too much today. Sit and think calmly. An excuse to reject me. You have whole life. Pulled him beside himself on the chair. They all had their dinner while talking with each other. Their wedding date had been fixed. They all were going, but Jimin took Yoongi near the lift and pinned him on the wall. Yoongi, what's this? Don't you want me to go? Jimin, I slapped you because of misunderstanding. You can slap me too. Closed his eyes tightly. Slap me. I don't want to have any favor. But when he didn't get any slap, he opened his one eye and looked at Yoongi. Why aren't you slapping me? Yoongi leaned towards his ear and whispered, I will take my revenge at our wedding night. You will pay hard for this slap. Till then, enjoy, sweetheart. Pushed Jimin and left. Jimin, what did he mean? Time skipped after 2 months. 2 months happily passed. They both spent time with each other and eventually fell in love. Today is their first night. There was no one in the house except Hyunmin. They just wanted to give them complete privacy. Jimin was sitting on the bed and waiting for Yoongi. He was nervous and excited both. Soon, Yoongi came there while holding the box. He locked the door and sat on the bed. Yoongi placed the box on Jimin's hands. Your first night gift. Hyang said I should give you something special to start our married life. Jimin smiled. Thank. Yoongi placed his finger on Jimin's lips. Shh. First check, then say anything. Jimin, oh, okay. Jimin excitedly opened the box, but seeing the gift, his soul left his body. There were various stuffs for dark romance. He looked at Yoongi with his scared eyes and said, Jimin, what's this? Yoongi, oh, these are your wedding night gift. Hadn't I told you I will take my revenge on our first night? So, Jimin, dry throat. Are you kidding, right? I know you only want to scare me. Yoongi, who said? I mean it. Pick the handcuff. See, I will tie your these soft wrist by these black handcuffs. These small thorns will pierce your skin. Pick the silk red blindfold. By this blindfold, I will cover your these beautiful eyes so that you can't see anything. Pick the small jar. When your blood will flow, I will store them in this. Pick the scissors. I will cut your these beautiful clothes by this. Pick the leather whip and these traced on Jimin's face to shoulder. By this, I will mark your beautiful and soft baby like skin. Pick the recorder. This is for recording your painful screamings. Pick the choker. By this choker, I will choke you. I brought a complete revenge pack to make our wedding night perfect. What happened? Aren't you happy to see your gift? Jimin threw the box. No, you can't do this. I will scream. Yoongi, scream as much as you want. Nobody is at home today. No one can stop me from taking my revenge. Be ready, sweetheart. To be continued. Author's note. That's it for today. I hope you all liked it. It was the requested story for one shot. I hope I didn't disappoint you. I knew it. You will definitely demand it for bonus part, so I already made it in 2 parts. How was the cliffhanger? What do you think? What is going to happen between Yunmin? Do you want sweet revenge? Don't be shy. I know how much powered you are. What will happen when Taekook meet with Yunmin after their first night? So much fun is waiting in next part. Children are the form of God, but sometimes God also hungry and want strawberries. Then Yunmin have to suffer. I hope you all enjoyed it. We will meet soon with next part. Till then, take care of yourself. Love you all. If you like this story, then please do like, subscribe, share and comment. I assure you that you will never gonna regret on your decision. Thanks for watching.